Boom, baby, Morad Fiki. How's everybody doing this fine Sunday fun day? Sunday fun day. This is a great day to do some business, take it to the next level. So I'm out here in Lake Conroe at a beautiful home on a 1.2 acre lot. Got some close, very good clients of mine coming to check it out. It's absolutely gorgeous. Looks like some of the plants kind of froze in the background, but I really like this house. In fact, you know, look at the nice waterfall jacuzzi spa. You know this is going to be great in the summertime when it's like 100 degrees outside here in Houston, Texas. Or actually, you know, we're in Conroe, but just on the outskirts of Houston. And, you know, it's going to be super hot. Come enjoy a cold beverage by the pool and just relax and contemplate the next breakthrough. What are we doing today on Sunday Fun Day to take it to the next level? You know, while a ton of people are just out hanging out, drinking mimosas, you know, drinking all day long and not doing anything productive, you can take it to the next level by, you know, focusing on greatness. You know, what can we do to achieve greatness? You got that unlimited potential within. So what can we do to achieve greatness and take it to the next level? What can you do to feed your mind and expand on business, right? On business opportunities, plenty of business opportunities out there. So that's just my thought for today. I just wanted to reach out and touch you and see how y'all are doing. I just wanted to let you know I appreciate you. I love you. And we're going to take it to the next level. Boom, baby, let's do this. So I'm going to see you. You know, this is February 28th, the last day in February in 2021. We're already done with 2 months in 2021. Can you believe that? Can you believe that? Isn't that incredible? So time never stops. You know, we got to get it to the next level. Time never stops. Time is the one asset that we have that we never get more of, right? So be very valuable and useful with your time. I'm gonna see y'all next time. I appreciate y'all. See ya.